Truly speaking, saying no to someone makes you feel bad. Yes, to me, it feels so bad. It let me down. Don't you? It feels like others might think of you as an uncooperative or rigid person. With respect to this thinking, we cannot say no because that is the way we feel guilt. We start to think that if we say no, it will disappoint others and create a negative impact on others. Basically, we want to make everyone happy. To people please. Recently, I read the book How to Say No Without Feeling Guilty by Patty Brightman and Connie Hatch. That book provides many tips on how to say no confidently and help us to control or get rid of those feelings of worry, guilt, and anxiety forever. Here are 7 takeaways. 1. The most significant benefit of saying no is that it frees up time and energy for activities that we enjoy. But actually, this will make a lot of people angry. However, we cannot satisfy everyone. 2. We have to understand what our priorities and values are. What is important for physical and emotional health? With respect to our priorities, we understand when to say no. 3. Use simple words to say no. There is no need to apologize or make excuses. Simply say, I cannot do that. Simply say no thanks, brother. If you go for excuses, there will be debate, and they will drag you into arguments and convince you. 4. When you say no, there is no need to provide details. If you try to give it, it provides the other person with the option to try to change your mind. 5. Start practicing saying no. Start with a small one, later, you build confidence to refuse larger ones. Start slowly but actively. 6. If you feel guilt, think about yourself, not what others think. Not for people pleasing. Build your why and keep it yourself. Speak nice to yourself, it will erase your guilt. 7. Stand firm in your refusal. Keep in mind that your yes is actually a no. And if you avoid refusal, it will be bitter later. Say no firmly and gracefully. Remember that placing others' needs first at your own expense results in dissatisfaction and destroys your happiness over time. Practicing self-care and making decisions based on priorities helps you provide better fulfilling results and enables you to show fullness for others.